Welcome everyone, welcome to another Minute in the Boardroom. This is where I am in the boardroom of the company where I am one of the directors of a multi-million-pound business, and I wanted to share with you how you can get from the bottom to the top in your career, but also obviously take your business to the next level, which is what I've been doing for the last 10-15 years. Now, the word I'm going to share with you today, something I really want to discuss today, what I believe is you're gonna need to get to the next level, and you've got to learn to be tough. You've got to learn to be tough. Now listen, the one thing of the last couple of days we've been going through is some real challenges in our business, real challenges. And I'm telling you, it brings high levels of stress. And if you want to be at the top, you've got to be that person who can tough it out. You've got to be that person who can go through those days and be the one that everyone can come to when everything and everyone's kicking off, that you're the one who remains calm, you're the one who stays focused. You've got to be that person. And the same in your career. If you want to build your career, you've got to be the person who's the toughest. You've got to be the person who can handle the most stress. You've got to be the person who can be like, yeah, don't worry about it, I've got it. Find a solution in the midst of the storm. There's a great saying that I try to live by: consider it pure joy when you're facing trials of many kinds, because it builds character, perseverance, and perseverance, hope, and hope never fails. So listen, if you're gonna do well in business, understand the reality that business is tough. If you want to get to the top of your career, at the very top, it is tough. Don't get me wrong, the rewards are very good, the rewards are great even, but to get there is not going to be easy. So you've got to learn how to tough it up, build up your muscles, man up, as some of my friends will say to me. You've got to learn to man up, okay, and get strong, and that's how you'll be successful in business. So listen, thanks for joining us. If you have any questions that you'd like me to answer around how you build a career from zero to the top, whatever the top is for you, how to obviously continue to grow your company, keep moving forward in what is a very tough economy, highly competitive, let us know, drop us an email, and I'll answer those questions for you. All right, thank you, bye-bye.